Hi, this is Brent DeMartini here at DeMartini RV, and today we're giving you a quick look of our 2022 Newmar London Aire 4533 luxury diesel pusher. This is a 605 horsepower Cummins diesel engine on Newmar's most powerful diesel frame, and this luxury diesel pusher has integrated awnings, adaptive cruise control, power day-night shades, and a really nice interior. So let's take a look inside. All right, thanks guys for watching that quick video. That was just a highlight of the interior and outside of this coach. But if you want some more information, if you have questions, you can comment below, or you can visit this coach on our website, www.demartinirv.com/D2352. That'll take you right to this coach, or you can call me with any questions that you might have at 530-615-2544, and thanks for watching.